In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use activity logs to track changes. We'll walk through a simple process that helps you see what's been updated, when it happened, and who made the change. This is especially useful if you're working with a team or if you just want a clear history of what's going on in your workspace. Start by opening your workspace or project area as you normally would. At the top of the screen, look for a plus sign. This plus sign is usually used to add new views, reports, or tools to your current project. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. If you're not seeing it right away, move your mouse slowly along the upper toolbar until you spot it, often near options for views or layouts. After you click the plus sign, a menu or panel will appear. From this list, you want to look for an option called Progress and Reports. This section is where the platform groups tools that help you understand how work is moving forward, including analytics, summaries, and of course, activity tracking. Click on Progress and Reports to open that area. Once you're inside Progress and Reports, look for an item labeled Activity System. This is typically the part of the tool that manages your activity logs or system events. When you click Activity System, you'll be taken to a screen that is focused on recording and displaying changes that happen across your tasks or projects. On this Activity System screen, you may see existing views or panels that are already configured, but to set up something that works best for you, look for an option called Add View. This is what allows you to create a new way of looking at your activity log information. Click on Add View. After you click Add View, you will usually be prompted to choose how you want to see the activity data, such as a list, a table, or another layout, and you may be able to filter by project, user, or date range. Take a moment to name your view clearly so you can easily recognize it later. Something like Activity Log, All Changes, or Team Updates this week. Once your view is created, you'll be able to come back to it anytime through the same Progress and Reports area, using it to quickly review changes and keep your projects transparent and under control.